This is the perfect way to upgrade your existing fly tying equipment, or basically to get it started with style. This is the Renzetti complete fly tying kit. What you get in this is, of course, this cool briefcase, the stowaway to have all your fly tying equipment there. But also you get all the tools you need from either Renzetti or from Dr. Slick. But included here as well is a complete Renzetti Traveler vise with the pedestal base as well. Right now you get this entire kit at a special discount, so it's 466 euros, which is a really excellent price. When you take all of the different items included in this kit and combine the prices there, then you'll see there's a ton of money to be saved. So if you want to upgrade your existing kit, or basically just want to start with style, then this kit here is the way to go.